What's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. We're going out into the great wild. What? What's going on? It's good to see you today. Hope you enjoyed that B-roll of some dead trees in a swamp. We're out here at Stumpy Lake, and I'm with my good friend Jesse Miller, aka Postcard. He just got done hiking the entire Appalachian Trail, Appalachian, however you want to say it. Incredible journey. We're going to be making a documentary. It's going to be fantastic. But he has some wisdom, some advice, some motivation to give you today. So I'm going to turn it on over to him. All right, here he is. I'm trying to make my way. This is very difficult. Trying to paddle with one hand. Do it for the vlog. Here we go. All right, we're coming in hot. Coming up. Okay. No. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna miss. Oh no.
Hit your wagon to mine.
grab my hand.
Oh my God,
We need to angle this way.
What should we do?
Like this. You know? You feel?
I feel a lot of things.
We finally made it.
We had this picture.
All right, we finally figured ourselves out. Thank you for bearing with us, and I'm gonna turn it over to Jesse. What wisdom do you have for the people?
Well, in general, I'm gonna keep this short because I don't want to keep y'all here for 3 hours. Someone once told me that transitions in life taste like spinach, and sometimes what you have to do to get through those transitions and to jumpstart the next chapter is just gotta jump. And I'm here to tell you that jumping works, that sometimes you gotta just trust that everything's gonna work out and that you'll be okay. And I'm here to tell you that jumping is better off for you than you think. And I think that's what the wisdom I got for you.
There it is. You heard it from the man himself. Just go for it. Whatever it is you're thinking about doing, take the leap, go for it, and do it. You know, bringing it around to my niche, what I talk about. You want to start a photo business? Do it. You want to start your YouTube channel? Do it. You just want to take photos and videos for fun? Do it. Just get out there, have fun with whatever you're doing. Never stop creating and pursue that next big adventure in life. Take that leap and enjoy your journey. It's going to be a good one. You know, it's not going to be all sunshine, but you'll learn from your mistakes. You'll learn from the things that don't go so well. And in fact, those are some of the best stories that you'll tell. And I know some of the best stories that I get to hear, but that was from Jesse, aka Postcard. We're gonna be making the documentary on his journey, and I think it's gonna be really, really good and really inspirational. So stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this one, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Ain't that right, Jesse?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, boy. See ya. You just see that fish, boy! This huge fish just jumped out of the water. Man, if that thing lands in this kayak, we're going viral. Can't stop us.